เท่าไรคะพี่
มีค่าทางด่วน50 บาทนะครับ356 บาท
โอเค I'm here I just go get push cart for my thingsขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณมากครับพี่ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณมากครับ
โอเค all set let's go I'm going inside โอ้โหairport actually I need to check Okay, let's go to the prison. Counters and
What's up?
I think it's open already. So, mag-early check-in ba ako para hindi na hassle. Kasi I need to check pa if sakto ba yung kilos. Kasi dalawa yung check-in ko, dalawang 20 kilos. As yung hand carry ko, laptop lang naman and yung personal things. So, we'll see. I hope be fragile. Fragile. Shy. And okay.
Can I have your booking number? How many passengers? One. Alright.
ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ นี่ fragile
It's like thinking and not sure.
Okay, I need to remove the power bank here first. Okay. 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 You're gonna put something here too?
Already, right?
Oh yeah, I already removed the power bank. I only have one, I think. Yeah, okay. I have my laptop with it. Ready, checking in. Pati itong hand carry ko, ilalagay na sa loob. So, yung mga laptop and everything ko nasa bag ko. Yan lang. Okay. Okay. Hapon mo ka. Opoy. Okay. Hapon ka. See. Tapos na. Check-in na ako. Wala akong dalang anything. So, saya. Pero I need to pee. Should I go inside already or I can still, I need to go clean first. Guys, ito yung loob ng Don Juan. Same old. Ganun pa rin. Pero okay naman siya. Pero ako, hiihi muna ako. I need to pee, nakatukon. CR muna tayo. Aga ko, sobrang ganda nung flow nung check-in ko. Hindi ako nahirapan. Tapos yung isang hand carry ko, magaan lang naman siya. Pina-check-in na rin nila, free naman daw. So, ang dala ko lang ngayon yung laptop ko. Ayan lang. Di ba? Saya! Ayos! Ayan. Restroom muna ako, guys. So, ganun lang kabilis. Tapos na agad ako sa immigration. Tapos na agad ako sa scanning ng bag. O, di ba? Free time na, guys. Ngayon ang gagawin ko, hahanap ako ng lugar kung saan ako pwede tumambay. At meron pa akong time to edit. Oh, tingnan niyo ito. Cute. Yay. Don Juan, grabe. Ang tagal na nung huli akong nag-stay dito. Kasi usually din ako sa kabila. Sa iba. So, kaya ako pwede tumambay. Pero hindi ko pa na-check anong boarding gate. Wait, check ko muna. Check muna natin saan yung boarding gate. Pero magubad mo lang ang jacket. Ang init. Let's walk around here. Don Juan. Gate 15 ako, so let's walk around. Walk around. Wala nang bumili. Bawal na bumili. Bakit? Kasi in the first place, wala naman tayong pamili. Bakit tayo bibili? Walang bibili dito. Kaya nga kumain na kanina, di ba? Ganun yun eh. Pero talaga alam nyo, gusto ko talaga makahanap ng chaang or yung tinatawag na grape tea. Sala ng Tony Pang eh. Kasi nagsabi yung go-to niya na drink yun. Tapos ikot. Wala naman ganun. Ay, saan kaya yun? Okay, check. Kaya ako pwedeng tumambay ng Starbucks. Look, Python. O, gano'n ba? May pang siya dito, guys. Yung pang siya. Lagay siyang gari pang siya. World class IT. So, we also have din in the local here. Guys, may nagbabasting dito. Hindi nyo kinaya. I work here. Should we check around? Okay. Tagal pa naman. Aray, di ba?
ต้องขอไปด้วยชั้นในของในหลวง
Napay na pa din. You are my head. Like the day that I met you, day I lost forever I say. Di ba? Ito kami lyrics eh. Gusto mo lang, gusto mo. Naniwag ka malang, naniwag ka malang. It's a lie, it's every time. Ha? Kumakanta ka pang... Di mo alam lyrics, kumakanta ka pa. Hindi ko talaga alam guys kung ano gagawin ko sa buhay ko. Na totoo lang, hindi naman ako dito eh. Hindi ko naman ako umiikot dito eh, para pakita sa inyo. Ganun ang kalasa. Tsaka ano to, burn calories. Uhuy! Burn calories na ka. Tagal pa eh. Anong oras pa lang? Oh, 8:30 pa lang. Boarding namin.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we have your flight attention please? We apologize for the delay of Indonesia Asia flight QC253 for the time here. We get to inform that the flight is delayed due to late arrival of the incoming aircraft. The new estimated departure time will be 10:45 p.m. 10:45 p.m. In meantime, we are providing refreshment voucher. Please have your inquiry and kindly contact staff to collect your voucher at the boarding gate number 22. We do apologize for inconvenience. Thank you for understanding. ทางบริษัทสายการบินอินโดนีเซียแอร์เชียโปรดทราบสายการบินอินโดนีเซียแอร์เชียที่คิวแซ253คิวแซ253เพื่อจะเดินทางไปยังจาการ์ตาประเทศอินโดนีเซียมีความจำเป็นต้องการล่าช้าเนื่องจากรอเที่ยวบินขาเข้าโดยกำหนดเวลาเดินทางออกไปคือ 22:45 นาที 22:45 นาทีในขณะนี้ทางบริษัทได้ยื่นบัตรคูปองอาหารให้แก่ผู้โดยสารเวลาแสดงบัตรที่นั่งเพื่อติดต่อรับคูปองอาหารได้กับทางเจ้าหน้าที่นำตัวออกไปที่22สายการบินอินโดนีเซีย
Nandito tayo dito, basis na naman ako. Iyaw ko. Shit na lang. Ah. Lots of Filipinos here. Maybe I should get a drink. Tingin. Ay, I should get a drink. Kumaarte. Tubig ka. Yes. Gusto talaga ng ano, crepe tea. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan ako bibili ng crepe tea, guys. Ano ba yan? Hanap tayo ng pwesto. Tour. Ano, airport tour ang Langya. Charis. Eme. Yung dati dito ko kumain. So, na-try ko na siya. Nakagutom. Gusto ko lang ng something to drink. Kasi pagka umarkit ako meron pa ako. Mawawalan ako ng makakainan. Bili kaya. Bili na ako. Bili na ako sa bigay. Yan lang na dito sa may subway. Let's go back. Ayoko pala joke lang. Kahit tayo na ibang pwedeng kainin. Gusto ko lang drink. Drink. Puro mo.
And I doubt if it ever could. I'm like you for me, all my day. Let the bells so fine. And I doubt it's ever mine. I'm like you for me. And the night is only just mine. Till the clock gonna see
Thai Organic Forest Eatery. Diba? Diba? You don't have food? Food? Ahan? Ay, okay. Beef and pork. Guys, I don't eat pork and beef. Nakap. Uhuy. Wala na ba dun? Natin. Mukhang masarap yung kape nila. Kaso, nga lang, yung ano, yung pagkain nila dito. Check. Check natin kung ano pwede kong bilhin para makapag-church ko. Pwede ako dito mag Let's go. Everything's here. So, I should get coffee na dun siguro para walang upo. Yeah, I get coffee na. I have no choice. Yun lang yung pwede kong anin. Kukuha na ako ng coffee. Let's go. I'll go get my coffee. Tapos, mag-work na tayo. Sayang kasi yung time. Ang haba-haba pa ng oras. 10 pa. And we can go find some place where we can watch something ganun. Ito mas na-appreciate natin kung meron talaga akong headphones eh. Kaso wala. Tapos yung AirPods ko, sumusuko na guys. Tingnan natin. So, ayun na nga. Paglalakad ko, nag-order ako ng French fries. Wow! Apaka-healthy. Tapos, Thai tea. Huling hirit ng authentic Thai tea. Ay. Diba? Ngayon, nahanap tayo ng place where we can work. Uy! Where we can work. Actually, dito na lang kaya guys. Tingin niya. What do you think? Can we just go here or where do you want? Yun na lang, no? Yun lang naman yung 15. Pero, check natin pa doon. Kasi doon yung 15. Tapos, mayroon ditong, pwede ka ding mag-work dito. Pwede ka ring mag-work dito. Ito na lang ako. For the experience. Experience zone. Pero wala kitang charger. May cards lang pa dito. Yun, doon tayo. Dito tayo sa corner. May patubig din dito. So, dito tayo. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Titimad din. Kain dito. Si Mrs. dito, hindi ko alam. Makakakonek ako sa internet eh. Yan natin. Isin muna natin yung Thai tea. Ay, talaga naman. Pagdating mo ng Pilipinas, diet kang malalaki. Guys, totoo lang. Masayang-masaya naman ako nandito. Nalulungkot ako ng bahagya kasi kailangan ko alam niyo yun, kailangan kong umuwi. Pero syempre miss ko na rin yung family ko. Hoy, miss ko na yung family ko talaga. Ngayon, hanap tayo ng wifi. Ano pwedeng free. Kasunod lang tayo ng mga anything or something. Uy, wow. 3 hours free. Sakto. Guys, kwento ko lang pala kanina. Sobrang bilis ng check-in ko. Sobrang bilis ng immigration ko. Sobrang bilis ko din dun sa scan. As in, grabe. Sabi ko, wow, sobrang smooth na lahat. Yung pinagpe-pray ko pa yun kanina. Sabi ko, sana okay lang. Sana maayos lang lahat. And, well, na-bless tayo. Na maging okay lang lahat. Na walang anything na abala. Ganyan. And, kumakain ako ng gasolina. Ayun nga. Overall, itong trip nito, sobrang na-enjoy ko. Imagine, guys, almost a month ako. Dumating ako dito sa Bangkok ng August 6. And now, it's September 2. Flight ko ng 11, dadating ako ng Philippines, September 3 na. And hindi ko alam kung kailan ako ulit babalik dito, but hopefully, makabalik. Kaya guys, if you want to see more of our vlogs, please do subscribe. Please follow and please do share. Sabi nga, di ba ni Zainab, do share daw. Ayun. And ayun, manonood muna ako ng kung ano-ano ngayon. Magre-relax muna ako kasi mamaya mag-board na. Ayun. Balikan ko kayo mamaya.
chicken.
Pwede natin sabihin ako. Naiihinan ako. Pala, umihinan ako. Daldal kasi ako ng daldal kayo. Ako sa pinzel ko. Siyempre, patay tayo ng mga.
After almost a month in Thailand, we're going back to the Philippines. Boarding na kami, paalis na, and 3:30 am dadating na kami sa Philippines. I'll see you guys in a bit. Siguro idip nila ako. Kasi, bye! See you later! Philippines as per you're gonna be playing na like using stairs daw kasi parang yung tube na supposed to be co-connect dun sa mismong gate is not working at all, so we'll see. Normally stairs na ako pagtulungan mo or domestic flights like nagpunta kami ng Siargao, but this time international flight, first time ko mag-stairs. Tingnan natin, XP. Batang may laban to, guys. Batang may laban. Nakakalog. Oh, baba na eh. Tapos, pagbaba namin, aakit ulit. Kawawa naman yung magbigat yun. Kawawa naman guys, mga baby. Swerte ko lang din, bigyan nila ako ng free second lang. So ito, close, sobrang close. And see, look, up and down, and up and down. Sa Pilipinas na naman ako ba? Philippines, only in the Philippines. Pilipinas talaga. Ayan yung aircraft na ginanggalingan namin, guys. Bakit baba? Kanina, nag-stop kami in the middle of nowhere kasi kailangan daw ito yung airplane. Ngayon naman, yung supposed to be co-connect. It's not working. So, lakad yarn. I need to pee, guys, before getting my luggages. Ihi muna tayo. Heading now to the immigration. I'm in the Philippines. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. Actually, 3:16. Pero hindi pa nag-a-adjust yung watch ko. Ahead kami ng 30 minutes. Diba? Ang bilis kasi ng boarding kanina and all. Lahat. Sobrang smooth. Ganda. Tignan natin dito sa Philippines kung magiging okay lahat. Pero for sure, magiging okay lahat yan. Para makauwi na ako. Maka-rest. Makatulog. So, wala masyadong tao dito sa immigration. Pero you'll see, guys, mabilis lang siya. Tingnan natin. Mamaya na lang kasi bawal camera dito. Done with the immigration, I decided to take yung scanner. So, I'm now going down. Pero, I'll pee first and then get my luggages. smooth. Kasi siguro nauna ako umalis. So, ayun. Pero kailangan ko muna talagang mag-CR guys. I need to see go to the restroom. Wow. Let's get the luggage guys. Let's go. Let's go get the luggage. I need to get push carts eh. Okay. Let's go. Ilang pasahero, almost nandito na. But still, yung luggages namin, hindi pa rin nag-start yung yun natin kung gano'ng katagal. Sana madali lang kasi for sure mamaya unahan na naman the booking ng Grab sa labas. The other one. Ang funny. Kasi first in, first out. Ay, una ko nandito pero ako yung huling aalis. Dulo ng mundo yung baggage na isa. I don't know why, but funny. Magkakaiwalay yung maleta. Ang dami ng tao kanina, ako na lang natira. Okay. Cute eh. Only in the Philippines. Always in the Philippines. Nice. Funny, no? Ako yung una nandito kanina, pero ako yung huling lumabas. Cute. Nakaiba. Only in the Philippines. Let's go. I hope we can still buy coffee. Sure. Hi, done with the customs and checking, guys. I'm gonna book Grab and let's go. I need coffee. It's 4 in the morning. Shit. 4 o'clock. Oops. Okay. Wala, closed na. Wala na bang mabibila ng coffee dito? What? I need coffee, guys. So bad. First time kong maharang para i-check yung kasi siguro first time kong mag-uwi ng box. Tapos they check, tapos they ask me why I always travel to Thailand, tuwing kailan ako nagta-Thailand. Surprisingly, they ask questions ko pala na gano'n. First time ever. Di ko in-expect though. Okay. Open. Around, Let's check if we can buy coffee, guys. Bago ko umuwi. Let's go. Tama ba ako? Wala to dati dito, guys, yung video na yan. If I'm not mistaken. So, kaya pwede magkape. Sabi sa ilalim daw ng hagdan meron. Ano kayang meron doon? Ilalim ng hagdan. Don't keep up. What can we get? Oh my God, ang haba ng pila sa Burger King. Anything here? Can we buy something?
Taxi, ma. Saan po kayo? Taxi.
Is it open? Oh, it's not. I cannot buy anything here. Oh. Wala sa bahay na lang. Iuwi ko na lang to, guys. Burger King lang yung available. Wasi. Let's go. Gonna book a Grab, tapos head home. Siguro doon na lang ako magkakape. Kasi kailangan ko pa rin maligo. And, yun. I can't wait to see mom. Pero syempre ngayon, tulog pa yun sila. So, alam nyo na. I'm gonna call tita later. Sige, balikan ko kayo guys kapag nakabook na ako ng Grab at dumating na yung Grab ko. Okay, bye! Grab, baka naman. Grab pick. Where's the Grab pick? Waiting na lang ako kay kuya. Ito ba yun? Seriously. Papasok na siya. Toyota Avanza. Let's wait for him. Ito maghintay guys. Bago na talaga. Terminal 1 last time wala namang ganito. Tagal ko na bang hindi nag-travel? Hindi naman masyado. Pero, cool lang. Okay to ang naisipan nila. Kasi dito, maayos, organized. Tapos, alam mismo ng mga driver kung saan sila pupunta. Grab! Let's go! Late talaga dito sa amin. Morning! Ahoy. Bahak. Nasa Grab na. Oh guys. It's time. Uuwi na tayo guys. Let's go. Check the state of my... Siguro 30 minutes more pa bago ko makarating sa bahay. Guys, nandito na ako sa bahay. Few meters more. Tapos, makarating na ako ulit. Ito na lang. Guys, finally, I'm home. I'm home already. I'm finally home. Ayan, guys, thank you for joining my journey. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye! ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ Tita!